Yvette Edens and Frank Harrison are here from Desert Cancer Foundation, our March Coachella Valley Spotlight Grant recipient from the H.N. and Francis C. Berger Foundation and KESQ. Congratulations on being a grant recipient. I know it's a very important aspect of what you do, getting the dollars. And Frank, I know that you're grateful to the Berger Foundation for writing that big check.
Oh, very much so. You don't know how much that means. On behalf of the board, I just want to thank the Berger Foundation, thank KSQ, thank everybody that's been involved. We really appreciate it.
You've been serving on this organization's board for a long time. It's obviously a mission that's important to you.
It is. I've been on the board for like 12 years, and I've been president for the last 5. But they allowed me to be president when I retired, Patrick.
Now, Yvette, we've talked before about this mission, but I think there's some really important aspects of what you guys do. And one of the things that you just told me is that on average, your clients that you work with are with you from anywhere from 1 to 3 years.
Yes. So when we have a recipient that comes into our program, it's for a minimum of 1 year, and we do average about 2 to 3 years. So DCF is really taking on this responsibility and seeing the patient through their entire course of treatment until they're better.
And all of these dollars stay local. You're working with clients right here in the Coachella Valley.
Yes, we serve local residents. We have agreements, ongoing commitment agreements with our hospital partners and local healthcare community, and together we're able to leverage dollars. Every dollar translates to $10 in cancer care.
So when you apply the simple math of that, this $25,000 grant, it turns into over $2 million worth of care.
Correct.
Amen.
You know, every dollar goes a long way given what we're able to serve and provide in medical care.
Obviously, we bring you guys on to talk about the various events that you do, but the mission is so important because the cost of a cancer diagnosis, let alone just the trauma of getting that cancer diagnosis, the cost is staggering. So oftentimes patients just, without you, they wouldn't have the capability to cover those costs.
Exactly, and sometimes we come across people who cannot even access the care, and that's really where DCF steps in and makes sure they do access the care along with our partners. We help with the financial support. We help navigate them to make sure the coverage is ongoing throughout their treatments. And it's really, cancer hasn't stopped during COVID or ever. Every day people are diagnosed, and there is poverty incidences in the Coachella Valley. And when you merge those two things, there's a number of people that really do need that critical support.
Well, the organization has grown quite a bit since you jumped on that board more than a decade ago. You guys have really expanded, and you're trying to serve more and more patients throughout the valley.
We are, and we're very proud of that. I just say again that it's been a real eye-opener for me over the years to see how many people don't have either insurance or enough insurance, and you can't be on lower income and afford to have cancer. I mean, it happens, so we're here to help you.
Well, congratulations again on being the Spotlight recipient. So well deserved. We know that you're going to use those dollars wisely for the patients here in the Coachella Valley that you serve, and we appreciate it. So once again, the Coachella Valley Spotlight Grant for the month of March, the Desert Cancer Foundation. What's your website real quickly, so if people want to know more?
DesertCancerFoundation.org.
DesertCancerFoundation.org. You can find out more about their mission. If you know someone who needs help with their cancer diagnosis, DCF is here for them as well. Thank you both.
Great. Thank you so much, Patrick.